Ebusuafo me mo bibia kwa ba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell no so for more news.
Utie fitine nkwada brem ene nyame bo ni din efre no me kai sometime bi na all kasa na all kabra na oya akoda na won ye kwaje Ghana si ho enkroma no ne ade ye kira ne ye meetings wo papa fie na metie some of the stories say yi JB dan kwanom ne ade omuso no mu na o mafa no na o de na tena o manan so even at that tender age God has already prepared, said this guy called Kweku Dankwa is going to become something. So I will let him start mingling with people of such. I will let him start mingling with people of such. You share a lifestyle. Me go school or Ghana. So me kai Ghana social studies books. You kai say William Meden Ufuriata. You kai Wan. You can kai umuni na Ekufuado papa. No wom. Ekufuado papa. Na okasa squad no. So don't ever think, especially those who are always attacking the Kufuado, don't ever think say oh ye nipe bi keke no wo. The bia sister Cynthia na me ka say me say me nsuro me nkan ka me ka say papa no ye bosom say ye som no. Seriously. Say nye suro na me suro me kan na me pese eja me de ne be equate sebe ya bosom na anka me ka say papa we udi ni gina wo say bosom a qualify. Because look at the incentrene from losing your first wife. Now no so no sebe abodan for group bi aka bom ni di tinsam fon die nim ni na e ka de to papa yi so. Ensu nyankopon ama papa we wa mana anye worry. Di ayede ye no di ayekeka fra no ni nara no. Ekufuado have stayed resolute. Now, maybe na me gonna say, Anka, after several attempts, me sana me try na mean to me, chale mean to me forget, cause try be before. But it is sad say they try this man, and the more they try him, the more he shames them, and they don't see that. Meaning why? Obia why ya na june say, wadi Ekufuado be dia grow. Obedin trodia to Ekufuado so ni na Ghana for mama yen show ma brabo. And na make us say Toronto for mo amonka dia ACA e wo bi no widiem. Na my imagine say men kasa yi bi kura but mo ankasa Toronto for amona mo amokwa abonte am uniama mo amunim dia ACA and you be na sebe ka kire. We have to know say God made certain people for a certain purpose. God, he made certain people for certain purpose. And if you are not smart and wise enough, and you try to fight against what God is trying to establish, you would always be disgraced. You would always be disgraced, and disgrace comes with punishment, shame. Nana do dankwa Kweku abudani Ekufuado na onam wono me say onye normal sa amamu hu ne say okaye nkrofo ebi ho onye the type of John Mahama there be. Onye John Mahama type ni bi no no the president that's what work as because we need president that there be. Let us be careful. Let us be careful. Because here mama nchira wa de obia wedi tro edi ato na nado so because so di benya bibi asa de ni ngina ntina me se de ekoso Toronto no mu betumi akata mani bataye re o mu betumi fake ba se Nyankopon ka se no dia wo ye ne nye na metwe waso obetwe waso Mr. Befi, just so somebody can get their partner to Canada. Just so obi benya ne pa obenya ska dia sponsor bentino yes yanko kase na nado a sponsor state robbery yeah, the state apparatus are robbing president causing a state robbery, and no Ghanaian saw the danger, no Ghanaian journalist saw the danger, because to them it was all propaganda. Let us go do it after all somebody be a Mahama into Yanko Yibi. Ekuya ene wa winim de ekoso wa brabom. Obefom na ye kan ya na wonte ase ye kan ya na wo de apesa wo ya na ye na ekuya ene wa wo tin wo widiem. Kana wo mbeka but wo tin wo widiem. Ekuya na wo tie mi video ya cause minim say wo nkrofo no wa ha. Ekuya wo tin wo widiem. Me ye unua me do because of support ya wo de ma me nti. Ena me catch you say ekuya me sew enyado. Asem no dia obeka kire ye no enye no na wo de nam abonten a wo kan nti ekuya jai. Yes me block o shine. Me block o sika bi a NDC for the bema. And yeah, and that's your life. You are parading everywhere showing say you are happy, but inside you are not happy. Your pillow is wet. Ekuya. Your pillow is wet. Because you could din crophobia chi. O could the what jine e could din crophobia chi. Now man ni bre edi wokai. But per all indications, Obia baby, uname adia me di Ghana funi bi ho ya one say. Sebe. So obi ni obi koda kra dia san ken hye da nye problem o. But you say ya sheda state robbery. People didn't even know how serious the accusations were. Na onipa ne first video abeka kire say so ka kire o pan say one papa ne ye bibia na oboa onyame ne hata suru we onu ananum. So one papa na anya hwe. Na ye nyan krofo be adan ukunu no ede ya ye de be brɛ ye de be ekuya no ba ye de na esi ye dian na esi untumi mfa won sam ye nu ndidi da ekuya ewiase ye mfa nsam ye nu ndidi o menu nti so da na da ye ntem ni na be yirai afi dia menam fufuo ni na be dane against me except a few section of Toronto. Because ne being tiase. Nanado is not something to be played with. Don't think Nanado or you'll be a to me din grow anyhow and get away with it. It doesn't work. We have Enkodan Toto Fe where Jimmy Phobia I fix the country a pejuma. When him say Ghana bankers obefo bi adwuma mu nipa 750,000 penny benye adwuma ye. Ghana population e pay adwuma ye more than 19 million. Enti what dey te sa 750,000 no ti free 19 million mo na hwe nipa aka kira e behia adwuma. Eno ntina private sector e correct. Eno ntina alankwadwo kiramanten ene ne nanado tina ase e de adwene bi ba ye say yembie factories yembie ne private sector no enkamum na yenye joint factories yembie ndwuma na Ghana mbebu no enye binye. Kamala Harris has confirmed that by saying say ba omo ba no they came so that they can strengthen our ties, bring American foreign investment into Africa. Okay? Or no na dwene a omode baaye no. Ye read yes ne kan LGBT no it was just a question from a journalist. It said the press conference. Na ye be a floor. Na ye si obi mbisa dia opeso bisa. That is all. That is all. And both leaders aka. Nanado say no the constitutionality of it no is something they have to look at. But he doesn't have that power. Instead, Parliament, is he lying? No. Parliament ne wamra e wo to me say omo be shemra. President on shemra. President to me nkoka say na me hye say oba nkofo oba be ma mfa be ma. But Parliament be to me ayesa. Enti ankamenu mienu. Sankanya political party ayekodi akire ne yejimi a. E sank ye ni ko MPs no say sa law no mon pass ntem. Semenu mi no NDC MPP for ya mohwe mi ya sankaya dwene da ho na nke ye nyansafo a ke ye bema ye ne akọ parliament woni aka kire mo say hey sa anti LGBT yi na mo de ba no mo hye mo kina na mo famra ntem mo pass ne ntem ayesa ye beto abetia mo na nke ye pass ne nye kete hye instead no ye de aye nanado mahama ntubi hu ana nanado time ko na mahama aba na somewhere ye de ahye ne to because ono de ye de be hye ne to mahama de ye de be hye ne to because ye ni na ye wo ho no ne Andrew Solomon ko da mpa so obi nim de omo ye ansa na omo de picture eba. And this is in response to Eric J and his stupidity talking saying another person or LGBT2 Eric J ma make a wo kurasini ankasa minia we are very like very bushiatic concert kurasini ankasa Eric J woni mo hwe learn to travel learn the ya omokuko okwe ye di omachiko bi weni bebie say ye po bia oji gay tum na ope gay